turn on the AC.
Okay.
You can see that the AC turns on. You can also turn it off via voice. So all of that stuff functions. The other things, like if you do get a notification here and you want to navigate, just click, it starts navigating. So everything is at your fingertips, right? Like you don't have to necessarily switch between. But if you do decide to, like for example, navigate, and you want to map full screen, we see that we redesigned the interface. So what's important is, for example, the things on top, like next turn. You can also swipe to see the next turn. You can see the next turn here as well. So everything is kind of interlinked to make it simple for you as a user to use this. Because I don't want to compete with navigation. We've also redesigned a little bit of the media experience. So if you go, for example, into Spotify, you can browse through catalog very quickly. The buttons are pretty big, so you can tap. For example, you can see that it starts playing. You can see the next songs. You can also just have a nice big view of it. You can also have access it from the front screen. So everything is nicely integrated to make this happen. Phone calls, we connect it via Bluetooth to the phone, just in case you want to make it. If you click on it, again, big buttons, we can see that it actually functions. So you can see that it uses the phone to actually make it. If we exit, you also have access to all of your favorites, call history. You also have access to contacts if you choose. So everything is there, right? Like everything is in a fingerprints, fast, easy to use, simple. The other things that matter, and again, I don't like competing with music, is full Play Store. So this is the first time we've shown the Play Store, except that the Play Store only has apps that have been approved for safe driving, so media and messaging primarily. If we click something, I'm going to uninstall it because for the quick demo, but it's fully functional. So if you click on it to download it, in a few seconds it actually downloads the application and installs the application. This is kind of what normally you would get, and normally the app will show up in here. So if we wait for a few seconds, and once it installs it, it's actually real. So we're not. So this is, and if you open it, we see that application kind of shows up. You can log into it. I'm not going to do all of that, but you can see that also app shows up in here. The app also starts showing up in here in the template that you can use. So everything is nicely integrated for the user. The last thing is also we have messaging. So